My name is Lisa Shollenberger. I'm an assistant professor here in the Biological Sciences Department. This lab works on vaccine development. It incorporates immunology, vaccinology, molecular biology, parasitology. We have a lot of things going on in this lab to get that one project going. So I think the work that we do is really interesting. We focus on neglected tropical diseases and how most of the globe has these diseases that we don't really worry about in the US. We look at vaccines through the lens of, can we make them work globally? In terms of my students, I know they all like the stuff that we do, but I'm really focused on mentoring and trying to have them become fully independent people when they leave here. So right now I teach microbial pathogenesis. It's a writing intensive course for seniors and master students. And every fall I teach immunological methods, which is a lecture and lab. And then every other spring I teach advanced vaccinology, and that's an upper level graduate course. COVID was really interesting. The classes I was teaching, we were able to pull actual real life data and news and really talk through all of those issues, but in a more scientific level. So they got to see firsthand how the research is done and how vaccines get developed and approved. Our lab has all levels of trainees. We have postdocs, we have graduate students, both PhD and masters, we have undergraduates. We even have a really motivated high school student who comes. And they basically all get to do the things that are on their own level. ODU is a really great place. I know we recently achieved this R1 status, but even before that, we get to do amazing things here. Being in science is really hard. No one gets into it for the money. They get into it because they love it, but just because you love it doesn't mean it works well or it's easy. And being a woman in science, I know how important it is to make sure that underrepresented and underserved groups are getting equitable chances to be independent investigators in their own right. I want everyone to be as healthy and safe and happy as they can be, and I hope that my research helps people get there.